Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SoFi Invest, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into SoFi Invest, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for SoFi's official website. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the upper right corner. Click on the login button to open the login prompt. Enter the email address associated with your SoFi account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is typed correctly, as it is case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your email and password, click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to your SoFi Invest dashboard. From here, you can navigate through various features and options available within the platform. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Make sure that cookies are enabled in your browser settings for a smoother experience. If you have multiple accounts, verify that you're using the correct email and password combination. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Once you are in, explore the investment tools and resources offered by SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.